Hello there, it's me MD, here with you on Saskiano. Today we are gonna talk about a quick tip in Adobe After Effects. How to type Arabic in Adobe After Effects. If you are interested, stay tuned. Let's start by opening the software. Then create a new composition. And let me show you the issue. I am gonna create a new text layer. And start typing in Arabic. We can't see anything because of the font. Let's select the text. And choose another Arabic font from here. I think this one is okay. Now, let's adjust this a little bit, so you can see well. I think it looks nice. Now, let's go to the edit menu. Go down for preferences. And choose type. The preferences pop-up window will appear. And in the text engine section, the default always be on Latin. Let's change it to South Asian and Middle Eastern. Then hit OK. And the next step is to restart the software. Before we restart the software, let me save this project. Here from File. Save as. I will select a path to save this project. I think I will leave this here in this folder. And give it a name. Let's say something like test. And hit save. Now, after restarting the software, let's open the same project. Now, select the text. And go to paragraph. If you don't see it, go to window menu. And go down for paragraph. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut to open it. Here on Windows press Ctrl+7. And this will be Command+7 on Mac OS. Now, press on this icon. And choose Reset Paragraph. Here we go, we are done. This easy just like that. Also you can adjust the text with these options here. And now we are done for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment down below. And tell me what you want to see here on the channel. And finally, if you want to learn more, take a look to our first channel, Everything PS. Thanks for watching. See you next time.